Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry I had to take down this video. I already posted it some days back, but because I had restriction orders, and I also think it would be appropriate for me to guide you guys through the whole steps. So let's do this. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Thanks for stopping by, because it's not easy to burn your data just to watch someone. I'm really grateful. Please do well to subscribe, like, and drop a comment, and do not forget to share this video and put on the notification bell, so if I upload a new video you will get notified. All right, so guys, today I'm going to be cooking something cheap but very yummy and healthy. Yes, do you guys know of have you guys heard of Achi soup? Achi, yeah, it's like a thickener. Don't worry guys, let me just take you guys through the whole process. Enjoy. So here are the ingredients I'll be using to make this Achi soup, a very yummy and affordable soup. So we have our pepper, we have our periwinkle, we have our uzuza leaf, very nice leaf, yes, and we also have our pomo. Guys, I bought this pomo for just 500 naira. I mean the two of them. Yeah, we have our stockfish, we have our onions, we have our smoked fish, and we also have the Achi. This is what the Achi actually looks like. I forgot to loosen it up to show you guys properly, but just manage that. I love you guys know already. So here are the things I'll be using to make this soup. So here is me cleaning up my pomo. You know how pomo can be, smelling and dirty. So I took my time and I washed this very well, and then I went ahead to slice the pomo into tiny pieces, into bits, so that the soup can have obstacles, guys. Look at how the pomo is all clean. Whoa, yeah, my pot is ready, and I'm just putting my stockfish, my smoked fish, my pomo, my salt, my seasoning cube, my pepper, and my onion, because I'm about to start cooking now. Yeah, and here is me putting on my gas, getting ready to start this yummy Achi soup. Yes, so in here we have all the rishi. I didn't want to use meat because I just wanted something affordable, although I can actually afford affordable. But I just wanted to show you guys what it means to eat good food with a little amount of money. Yes, so I had to add more water because the initial water that it produces was dried. Yeah, so meanwhile, while boiling it, I went ahead to prepare my uziza leaf to keep it aside. So this is me trying to arrange the leaves, then chopping it to keep it aside. As I was cutting this leaf, hey, the scent alone, this leaf smells so good, like, oh my god, my compound was on fire. So I went ahead to add my crayfish, seasoning cube, salt, because the previous one I put was not enough. Yeah, and I'll be adding my periwinkle. Yeah, ignore how it's foamy, it's because of the crayfish. Yeah, then I went ahead to add my Achi. Here is the Achi. It's like a thickener. Yeah, I know Igbo people know what Achi is. Yeah, it's like a thickener. That's the soup actually. So I'll be adding my oil. Yeah, look at what this looks like, and I just added my leaf. Guys, isn't this amazing? This soup is so affordable and it's so simple. Food is ready, like there's no time. See my bar now, my bar couldn't even wait. Look at this soup. Look at this soup. Just take a look. You don't need to break a bank to eat good food though. Just take a look now. Just check out. This is so nice, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Share this video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys. Bye.